Alright, so good morning guys. Just wanted to share a couple things with you. First of all, actually let me share with you the bad. Something really idiotic, okay? Excuse the crap all over the floor in the garage. But so I purchased this flashlight at Harbor Freight. I actually like it. It's pretty cool. It's rechargeable. There's like 3 variations. It's LED, so it's pretty bright. 3 variations of brightness. Anyway, there's a magnetic bottom on the end. It's pretty strong, so it just sticks really well. So while I was installing these side skirts, just kind of laying on my back, kind of upside down, just really kind of focused in on it. I forgot, or I didn't know, that the magnetic end would collect metal shavings. And what I do, I stuck the metal or the magnetic end on the car so it'll have some light on the bottom. What an idiot, right? And taking it off, it's really strong. So I took it off and I kind of dragged it across, or it might have like moved as I hit it. And of course I made a scratch. I don't know if you could see it, but it's right there. It's kind of yellowish. Hopefully it buffs off. I know this car, it has a little like chips here and there and a couple dings, but you just don't want to add more stuff like stupidly if you don't have to, right? But hopefully it buffs off. But just want to share with you guys, don't be idiotic and stick a magnetic part on the body of your car. I'm pretty sure you guys know, but just a reminder, okay, so you guys don't run into something dumb like what I just did. Anyway, moving on. So besides that, the feed style side skirts, let me see if I could show you a little bit better and better angle. And again, excuse all the crap on the floor. Tennis balls, coolant, alternator. So these, the fitment is actually pretty good, decent. It's pretty affordable for the RX7. I got it on eBay. I'll post the link below. But I think they're a good mod for the car. They give it, they go along with the lines of the car. It gives a little accent, a little aggressiveness, without making it look so quote unquote ricey, right? So these you can, it's up to you how far you want it like sitting in, like flushed, or how far you want it sticking out, you know. So I kind of had it so it's kind of in line with the car, maybe like an inch or so like sticking out of the body of the car. But yeah, that's it. Just want to share with you guys, I'm almost done. So as soon as I'm done and as soon as the car is up and running, I'm gonna probably be taking pictures and posting them up. But anyway, I just want to share with you this idiotic bonehead move that I did, and just hopefully you guys don't do that. Stupid